Hello, sir. How are you? How can I help you?
Hey Shiva, I need a 3D animated ad video for my project.
3D animation? Oh no, I'm not even good at 3D. How will I do this?
Also, I need it by tomorrow.
Tomorrow? That's only 24 hours. How am I supposed to finish this so fast?
So, the animation story you just watched is based on incidents similar to something that actually happened to me a few days ago. One of my clients needed a video ad for his product and he hired me to create it. Let me show you the project details he sent. Here in his message, he clearly wrote that he wants an animated video similar to a reference video he shared, but with dogs as characters. So first, let's quickly look at the type of reference video he provided. As you can see, this is a 3D style animated video. Interestingly, this type of video is AI generated. And this is exactly the style my client wanted, along with his script and voiceover, which he also provided. Now, you might think this looks like heavy 3D animation work, but with the help of AI, this can actually be done very quickly and easily. And that's exactly what today's video is about. As I mentioned in the thumbnail, we are going to see how you can create these AI-generated animated videos for free and deliver professional results to your clients. So hello friends, welcome once again. This is Shibayan and you're watching Upcraftz, a small community where we are all trying to build our freelancing careers and become self-reliant in life. But before we start the video, I have a small request. If you're new to this channel, then please subscribe it and become a part of our little community so you can always stay connected with us. Alright, so without wasting any more time, let's begin. The method I'm showing today is not limited to just this style of animation. You can create any style of AI video using the same method. It can be cartoon style, 3D animation, or even those characters where animals have human bodies. The workflow stays the same, only the style changes. Now let's see what tools we need. We mainly need two things. Number one, ChatGPT. Number two, Envato Elements. Most of you already know Envato Elements as a marketplace for stock videos, audio, templates, and editing resources. But recently, they've also added some powerful AI features. We'll get to that shortly. But first, we need to understand the process. Whenever you create any animation video, the first step is storyboard creation. That means converting the script into visual scenes. Normally, storyboard creation takes time and drawing skills. But here, we'll use ChatGPT to generate images automatically. So we take the script line by line and create storyboard images based on each line. The script in this project is related to an ADHD product. It shows a couple struggling because the wife has ADHD symptoms such as forgetting things, not finishing projects, emotional mood swings, and relationship strain. Later, after using a product, their relationship improves. Our job is to convert this script into animated scenes. So let's start with the first line. I think my wife just needs to try harder. Visually, this could be a scene where the husband and wife are arguing and the voiceover plays in the background. So you need to understand what kind of scene would suit this line of the script and then create the scene accordingly. To create this, I take a screenshot from the reference video and paste it into ChatGPT. Then I write a simple prompt asking for a similar image, a sad wife, an angry husband, but with dog faces instead of the original characters. And it's not necessary for you to create the image using a dog. My project required a dog character, so I used one. But you can use any animal you like. For example, here I'm trying it with a cat. And also, you don't need perfect English. Just describe what you want in any language. And lastly, I specify that I need a landscape image. ChatGPT then generates the image. And just like that, without complex software, our first storyboard slide is ready. I save this image inside an organized project folder. Keeping folders organized saves a lot of time later. For example, I keep folders for images, videos, and final renders. Alright, now we move to the next script line, which talks about unfinished projects and emotional breakdown. So I generate another image showing the female character sitting alone in a bedroom, looking sad and emotionally exhausted. Notice that after generating the first image, ChatGPT already understands the style. So we don't need to keep providing references each time. We just describe the scene we want. And again, the image comes out exactly as needed. We save it and move forward. You repeat this process for every script line. Understand the meaning of each line and generate a suitable image. You can choose any style you like, cartoon, 3D, or anything else. So in my project, first I generated all the scenes in the same way. The couple fighting, the wife crying alone, the husband sitting quietly thinking, the husband searching for solutions on his laptop and then he discovering a solution, the wife struggling with chores, the husband trying to understand her, and finally the couple reconciling and hugging. All storyboard images are generated and organized. And that completes step 1. Step 2 is converting these images into videos. For this, I used Envato Elements AI video generation tool. Now, you might think, but Envato Elements is paid. How is this free? Yes, that's true. But you don't necessarily need Envato. You can use tools like Google Gemini or other free AI video generation platforms. Some have limitations like limited credits or generation limits. I use Envato because the subscription is affordable and they allows unlimited AI video generation, which is very useful when experimenting with multiple shots. To generate videos, open the Gen AI menu on your Envato account and then click on Video Gen option. Here, you will upload your generated images and write a prompt to generate the video. But we will also have ChatGPT write this prompt for us. You can just ask ChatGPT to generate the video prompt for you. Just upload your image in ChatGPT and ask it to write a cinematic animation prompt with no text overlay. And as you can see, within moments, our detailed and accurate prompt has been created. So copy the generated prompt, paste it into the video generation tool, add your image as the starting frame, and hit the generate button to generate the video. And within a few minutes, the animated clip is ready, just as we wanted. You can see here an angry husband with a cat face arguing with his wife, while the wife looks upset and sad. See how easily we created an animated clip like this, right? So download the clip and save it into your video folder. Now repeat this process for all images until every storyboard image becomes a video clip. I converted all the AI generated images in my project into videos in exactly the same way. And that completes step 2. Now comes the final step, editing. Open your editing software. I use DaVinci Resolve, but you can use Premiere Pro or anything you prefer. Import all video clips into the timeline in order. Add the client's voiceover below the video clips. Then add background music to enhance the presentation. Once everything is aligned, your final animated presentation is ready. So let's take a proper look at the final presentation.
I used to think my wife just needed to try harder. I thought her forgetting things, starting projects she never finished, her emotions going from 0 to 100. I thought it was something she could just fix. I was wrong. She didn't need more pressure. She needed a partner who understood how her brain actually works. Now we connect. She's calmer, and she's finally thriving, not just surviving. This didn't just change her. It changed us.
If you want, you can also add animated and trendy subtitles like these to your video. But that's another topic, and I'm not covering it in this video. I'll be bringing a new video very soon that focuses only on subtitles. Generate images line by line, convert images into video, arrange clips in editing software, add voiceover, music and subtitles to export final video. And that's how you can easily create AI animated videos even for free and deliver professional results to clients. Believe me, animated ad videos and reels like these are very trendy right now. And with the help of AI, you can easily create this kind of content for yourself and your clients in a very short time. So you should definitely give it a try. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, share and leave a comment. And if you have any doubts or questions, the comment section is always open for you. Let me know there and I'll try to reply to everyone individually. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon so you can quickly get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Alright then, see you in another video soon. Until then, stay well, stay healthy and keep learning.